Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. I will discuss about what is Tame in iOS. And tools, flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, Torx screwdriver, hex driver, needle nose pliers, wire cutters, part retriever, wire stripper, crimper, punch down tools. Cleaning tools, soap cloth, compressed air, cable ties, quartz organizer, computer equipment input device, keyboard, mouse, joystick, light pen, trackball, scanner, graphic tablet, microphone, magnetic ink card reader, optical card reader, barcode reader, optical mark reader, computer equipment output device, monitor, printers, platters, projector, computer output microfilm, speaker, headphone, visual display unit, film recorder. So that's for today's vlog. I hope you learned something from me, and that is not goodbye because we will see how each other again for my next vlog.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.